Fab Technologies, we believe that technology should work smoothly, reliably, and efficiently for everyone. We are a complete computer solutions company, offering professional services designed to meet the needs of homes, offices, and businesses of all sizes. From computer repairing to advanced technical support, we provide fast, reliable, and cost-effective solutions you can trust. Our expert technicians specialize in desktop and laptop repair, including hardware issues, software problems, system upgrade. Virus removal, data recovery, and complete system optimization. If your computer is running slow, facing frequent errors, or not performing the way it should, Fab Technologies is here to fix it quickly and professionally. At Fab Technologies, we are also actively involved in the buying and selling of refurbished computers and laptops. All our refurbished systems are carefully tested, properly serviced, and quality checked to deliver reliable performance at affordable prices.